In a quaint town, a secret garden was known to a few. The garden was magical, with singing flowers and dancing trees. Three friends, Emma, Jack, and Mia, discovered the garden's entrance. Behind an ivy-covered gate, they stepped into the magical garden. In the garden, they met a wise old turtle named Toby. Toby revealed that the garden's magic was fading away. The enchanted fountain had stopped flowing, causing the magic to fade. Emma, Jack, and Mia decided to restore the garden's magic. They needed to find three items: a golden leaf, silver pebble, crystal flower. They faced challenges like riddles from a clever fox. Navigating a maze of talking bushes tested their determination. They outsmarted a mischievous raccoon on their adventure. With teamwork, they gathered all three items successfully. Placing items in the fountain, it glowed and bubbled with life. The garden's magic was restored, with joyful flowers and dancing trees. Emma, Jack, and Mia were heroes, promising to protect the garden.